Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about jicama, and I've got a list of tips and ideas for you for when you're using jicama. Hopefully it'll help you out. The list is just a little long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part 2. A link to part 1 is below in the description box. Why not try an easy jicama salad by combining some diced jicama with cucumber and orange sections. Sprinkle it with a little chili powder and a little bit of salt. Drizzle it with a tablespoon or so of lemon juice and mix it well and enjoy. Add some diced or shredded jicama to your favorite seafood or poultry salad for some added crunch. Enjoy slices of jicama with a little lime juice and a sprinkle of chili powder. Try a salad with chopped jicama, mango, and pear, and drizzle with a little lemon juice and garnish it with some chopped mint. Here's another easy jicama salad. Combine some chopped strawberries with jicama and mango. Add some chopped cilantro and drizzle with some fresh lime juice. When it's cooked only briefly, like in a stir fry, jicama will usually stay crisp. But it can also be cooked like potatoes and boiled, baked, and even mashed. Try some sauteed jicama with carrots and or green beans. 1 pound of jicama yields about 4 cups shredded. That might help you when you're making a recipe. Now, the flavors would be different, but if you're in a pinch and you've got a recipe that calls for jicama and you don't have any or you don't have enough, you could also substitute in some water chestnuts or even turnips in place of the jicama. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Take care now. Bye.